Teja TV. COVID-19 vaccination. Odisha crosses 2 crore mark. Publisher Odisha crosses the 2 crore mark for COVID-19 vaccination on Friday. According to vaccination dashboard of COVID, total persons have been administered the first vaccine of COVID-19. Similarly, around 70 lakhs persons have been fully vaccinated for COVID-19 in Odisha. Vaccination for COVID is being carried out at sites out of which are run by the state government. The Health and Family Welfare Department reported crossing another milestone in the fight against COVID-19. Odisha has covered more than 2 crore persons with first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. Commended the hard work and commitment of our health and team people of Odisha of their support in the fight against COVID-19. Thank you.